That dinosaur. That's a big dinosaur, isn't it? Where did you get the dinosaur's tail? Did you get them at the bookstore?
Yes.
Oh, they go into the box, don't they? Very nice.
Oh no, big.
It's too big?
Yes.
Can Nana help you with that?
There you go.
There you go. Oh, God bless you. A little sneeze. So many dinosaurs. Wow.
Wow. They're awesome.
Awesome, wow. Yeah.
Oh no.
Doesn't it fit?
Yes.
Can I help you?
Yes.
All right, I'll come and help you now.